Here is a very good reason, regardless of the industry or business size, as to why your business needs SEO to take your brand to the next level. With the rise and growing domination of mobile traffic, local search has become a fundamental part of small and medium-sized businesses' success. Localized SEO endeavors to enhance your digital assets for a specific geographical area, streamlining the process for individuals to swiftly and effortlessly locate you, bringing them a step closer to completing a transaction. Fine-tuned optimizations concentrate on distinct neighborhoods, towns, cities, and regions, creating an effective channel for a brand's messaging on a local scale. SEO experts achieve this by refining the brand's website and its content, incorporating local citations and backlinks alongside pertinent regional listings relevant to the brand's location and industry. To cultivate local interaction, SEO professionals should initiate optimizations for a brand's knowledge graph panel, its Google My Business listing, and its social media profiles as a preliminary step. Furthermore, substantial attention should be placed on user evaluations on Google, along with other review platforms such as Yelp, Home Advisor, and Angie's List, depending on your specific industry, of course. If you've liked what you've seen and heard in this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any more great tips or advice. If you want our team to help you with your marketing, why not contact our digital marketing agency, absolutemedia.uk. You can get a free consultation and take the first steps into launching your traffic to the next level. All details are in the description below.